Would you rather spend $1 to save $5, or would your organization rather spend $1 to make $5? So one is an insurance of avoiding risk. The other one is basically driving towards an outcome. So it really comes back to 80% of what we see in this sector is effectively sold on fear. The fear that we're going to be hauled before work cover or eye care or whatever, the fear that we have to basically do this. That's fine. Fear kind of gets things done, but doesn't motivate ongoing. So if you want to use fear to get going, absolutely fine, but nobody wakes up. And having done this for 25 years, nobody wakes up in the morning and says, I'm so pumped. I work for the most compliant, mentally healthy, focused organization on the planet. It just doesn't happen. It just doesn't work that way. So with Deloitte, they've basically go through and have a continuum of measurement of ROI. And basically, this is the Deloitte Mental Health and Employers. I'm happy to put the link in the chat. So if you want to basically use this data with your particular boards, but effectively the ROI ranges from 0.1, so a 1 to 0.1 relationship is not a very good one, up to ostensibly 10.1/11. And so I won't spend any time on this, but suffice to say that if you don't have time to do all of the things to get the 11 to 11 to 1, proactive mental health and support, organizational-wide cultural awareness of mental health gives you around about a 6 to 1 return. So you'd have to say that makes a really good investment.